Our universal feet are made specifically for easy installs on Trimdek and Spandek style roof sheets. Each kit includes a universal bracket with pre-installed insulation, 4 stainless steel screws, and a bolt for securing the tray. The base of the bracket features an adjustable wing, making it perfect for roofs with triangular or narrow ribs. It adapts to a range of profiles for a snug fit. Installation is simple. Start by fixing the top 2 screws first. This helps level the bracket to the roof sheet. Then follow by the side 2 screws for added support. Just be careful not to over tighten to avoid stripping the roof sheet. Once your bracket is secured, feed the bolt through any slot or hole on the tray and screw it into one of the 3 threaded holes on the top of the roof. And that's it, a secure adjustable mount that makes installation faster and easier on Trimdek and Spandek roofs.